DJ, you go crazy.
Go! Welcome to DJUTV. Today, we reacting to Kayla B. Now I know everybody know Kayla B is King Von's sister. You know what I'm saying? Shorty was right there by Von's side at all times. I fuck with Kayla B, that's my homegirl, so I'm kinda excited about her starting her rap career. Kayla B done had clout her whole life, you know what I mean? So like, this ain't nothing like new type shit. It's just the fact that she's rapping that's new. You know what I'm trying to say? So I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, but before we start the video, man, can you please hit the subscribe button, man? Y'all be watching my videos, but y'all ain't subscribed to the channel, man. Show a nigga some love, man. Subscribe, click the bell for post notifications, all that good shit, you heard? DJ, you go crazy. Let's get into this Kayla B. It's called No Talking. Kayla B, No Talking, let's get it.
Run up.
Okay, I could tell just from this part right here that she in the A. I know what the A look like.
You hoes don't be on shit, not for real. Catch you hoes out in traffic, do you bogus?
See me up, Papa.
And we all know Kayla B known for beating bitches up. I ain't seen her take a L yet. This bitch like Floyd Mayweather with the hands.
Yeah. Run up on the bitch, I don't do no talking. Yo nigga buy me designer so often he want this pussy. I said it's gonna cost him. You can't be mad at me, ho, cause you lost. Run up on.
She said he want this pussy. I know it's gonna cost him. How much y'all think that pussy cost? No offense. No offense, Kayla B. I said it's my homegirl. I ain't trying to. I'm just saying, you know, I'm just reacting to the lyrics, you know? How much y'all think that motherfucker cost, though?
Bitch, I don't do no talking. Yo nigga buy me designer so often he want this pussy. I said it's gonna cost him. You can't be mad at me, ho, cause you lost on this a new summer. I'm on some new shit. We used to be cool, now you a op bitch. Bitches be talking on the internet. I push out rap, we don't get in that. Stupid bitch out, we don't care where we see you at. Baby 4-3, put a hole in your fitted cat. Roll with your shit, ain't no pins to get it back. Lambo you drive, but we know that you rented that. I know. Bitches they know I'm the shit. Got double C grip in my head. Got 31 shots in this clip. You touch me, my head is gon' trip. Yeah.
Hey, she going crazy. Hey, she going crazy whole time. She going crazy.
Let's go trip. Yeah, let's go. All of my bitches stay bougie. No, they not free, they moody. I'm in Dallas, I just got me some Rudies. Matter of fact, Missy, stop this bitch. Bitches ain't talk about shit. Pull up and beat on that bitch. Beat a bitch under the whip. And your nigga, he a bitch. Yeah.
She talking about pull up and beat on the bitch. Who she talking about? Cuban doll? Ain't that who she pulled up on and got to putting hands on?
Niggas ain't cashing no shit. Yo, niggas still on my dick. I got a social and pen. She telling you we was just friends.
She talking about I got a social and pen. If you know, you know.
You know it's murder she wrote. Keep talking shit, I pop up at your show. Empty the clip while I bust at your hoe. Bullets got teeth, let them eat through your clothes. Niggas be broke, but swear that they got it. Thought it was sweet till they ran in them pockets. Don't wanna bank with us. Then I'm endangered. And everybody know I catch me a body. I hang around with the murderous homies. Ain't made that bitch with the courage to try me. Bitch, nigga know he too loud. Shut him up, nigga, pipe down. I'm on your block if it's ever some beef. Hood bitch, guess I am what I eat. Pay dues, I got all the receipts. Name heavy, everybody know me. Gang. You hoes ain't doing shit with these washed up ass, musty ass, bomb ass niggas, man. Niggas ain't no shit, pussy as hell.
Hey, this girl crazy.
Man, niggas knew not to touch me. Pussy ass nigga, bitch ass nigga. Yeah, free little Steve, bitch.
I'm phoning him free little Steve. Okay, Kayla B. I like that. I like that. Let's see what the comments talking about. If she keep up with this and have someone mentor her on her flow, she would be good. Her flow good. I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with her flow. She don't need no mentor on the flow. They say I'm for it. And the thing about it is, shawty walking exactly how she talking. That's why we respect Von so much, because we knew he was about that life. He came with receipts, and Kayla doing the same for real. So say what you want, but a lot of these rappers ain't living like that at all. I'm here for my girl, keeping Von name alive. Nah, for real. Kayla B about the shit she talk about for real. Shorty done proved herself on numerous occasions. Ain't no pulling her whole card, she go pull yours. You ain't even know you had one, right? But yeah, all these comments positive though. That's what's up. Hey, shout out to Kayla B. We need that exclusive DJUTV interview. You hear me? For sure. So I want everybody to check out Kayla B. It's called No Talking. I want everybody to go to DJUTV and click the subscribe button because you're already watching. You might as well subscribe. And also like, comment. Let me know who you want me to react to next. Let me know who you want me to interview next. Let me know whatever on your mind, man. I'll be reading all them comments. I see all the shit y'all saying. You know what I mean? DJ, you go crazy.
DJ, you go crazy.